ZetaLabs is a testbed for new omnichain dApps and a key pillar in the ZetaChain developer and contributor ecosystem. It's an open environment where users can test, learn, and contribute to dApps built on the ZetaChain protocol. It's built for everyone, supporting desktop and mobile platforms, as well as language localization. You can join its testnet by swapping on their website and earning Zeta Points. Zeta Points allow community members to track their progress and contributions to ZetaLabs. The system incentivizes providing product/protocol feedback and bug reports to help the team make regular upgrades to the network. Now I will show you how to swap and earn Zeta Points. First, open the Zeta website. The link is provided in the description. Then, you need to connect your wallet. If you are new to Zeta, you may need to connect your Twitter account. You can go to the leaderboard page to check if your Twitter account has been connected. Go back to the swap page. Before you initiate the swap, you need to obtain faucet from the network you want to use. You can also get Zeta faucet by accessing the Get Zeta menu above the page. Now, select the network and tokens you want to swap and input the amount. Click on the Review Order button to check if the order is correct or not. Now, click on the Swap button. A wallet confirmation window will pop up. Click on the Confirm button. Then, wait for the confirmation to be completed. Boom! You now have 7,000 Zeta Points. You can obtain Zeta Points once a week. If you have already swapped within a week, you won't be able to earn more points. Just wait for the next week. Now, wait for the swap to be successful, and then you can provide feedback on their Discord channel. The link is provided in the description. Thank you for watching.